Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into Finxor GPT. You've probably seen it, this platform, making some pretty wild promises.
Very wild. We've looked at the sources, and their main thing is, AI-driven crypto trading.
Yeah.
Automatic profits, 4 to 7.
Right, and the hook is that you just need $250 to start getting these daily returns. Sounds amazing. Almost. Too amazing.
That's the word. An 85% success rate is what they're boasting. I mean,
Yeah.
in crypto, that figure alone is, well, it sets off alarm bells immediately.
Yeah, it really does. So we need to be super clear from the get-go. The materials we reviewed, they flag this as extremely high risk.
Definitely. Let's unpack those claims versus what seems to be the reality.
Okay, so they're hitting all the buzzwords, right? Cutting-edge AI, real-time analysis, that kind of stuff.
Oh, yeah, all the jargon, and they even show, award logos, supposedly from U.S. trading groups to make it look legit.
Yeah, do those check out?
Well, that's the thing. The reviewer looked into it, and nope, none of those claims, the logos, the awards, couldn't find any proof they were real or accurate.
So it's just window dressing.
Seems like it. Pure theater, really. Designed to make you feel safe, make you trust them.
Okay, so if the marketing's shaky, what about the actual structure? Is anyone overseeing this? Is it regulated?
That's where it gets even more concerning.
How so?
Finxor GPT. It's not registered with any financial authority.
Yeah.
Not in the U.S., not the U.K., not Australia, anywhere that matters, basically.
Zero oversight.
Exactly, zero. Which means if things go south, there's no official body you can go to. No protection.
You're just sending money into, what, a black hole?
Pretty much. A regulatory black hole. If they disappear, your money likely disappears with them. No recourse.
No SEC, no FCA, nobody to help. Okay, so if no one's regulating them, who is running this thing?
Well, that leads us to the next big issue, the anonymity.
Meaning?
The team, the owners, completely hidden. No names listed anywhere, no professional profiles, no photos, nothing.
Seriously, you're investing money with literal ghosts.
That's basically it. You have no idea who is behind the curtain controlling your funds. It's a blind box.
Wow. Okay, and I heard something about the website being confusing too.
Oh, yeah, it's a mess. It's not just one website. The sources found multiple URLs that look almost identical.
Like what?
Things like finergpt.com and finxorg.com. They all claim to be the official site.
So you don't even know if you're on the right page, or if it's a copycat scam site.
Exactly. It's classic misdirection. How can you possibly validate anything? It feels like it's designed to be confusing, maybe even to funnel you to a phishing site.
So add that to the list. Anonymous team, no regulation, and now multiple confusing websites. Any other operational issues reported?
Yeah, users have apparently run into problems. Things like major delays when they try to withdraw funds.
The withdrawal problems. That's a classic sign.
It is. And also dashboards showing profits.
Yep.
Profits that might not actually be real or withdrawable. It looks good on screen, but getting it out, that seems to be another story.
Okay, let's connect this back. That $250 minimum deposit, why that specific amount?
Well, it's sort of a psychological sweet spot, isn't it? It's low enough that someone new to crypto, maybe someone just hoping for easy money, might think.
Well, it's only $250. If I lose it, it's not the end of the world.
Precisely. It lowers the barrier to entry, makes it seem less risky than it is, but it allows them to potentially pull in a lot of small investors very quickly. It really targets that desire for easy AI profits without much capital.
So putting it all together, the conclusion from the sources seems pretty stark.
Undeniable, really.
Yeah.
This platform is incredibly high risk. You've got the lure of high returns, but combined with total anonymity and no oversight.
The chance of actually getting your money back seems, well, slim.
Very slim. There's a strong probability, according to the review, that people investing wouldn't see their funds again.
Okay, so the key takeaway for you, listening right now.
Right.
What should people remember?
Remember those massive red flags we talked about? The hidden owners, huge red flag, no financial registration, absolutely critical, and those multiple confusing websites.
Yeah, if you're looking at any platform, especially in crypto, and you see those things, run, don't walk.
Definitely. Learn to spot these signs.
So let's end with this thought. Finxor GPT claims an 85% success rate, which requires immense transparency and proof, yet the team is completely anonymous. What does that huge gap tell you about the relationship between promises like that and actual verifiable trust? Something to think about before you jump on the next big thing.